Whoa, my truck. Okay, we got her out. We're gonna see if she can cross it. There she goes. Oh, you moron! You got her stuck again. Wow!
Well, second video begins.
Neta, it's right into the same hole?
Part two.
Hey, you can still get her out. Is it still possible here, bro?
I know, I slid.
No, you put it on reverse. Just put it on reverse. You still got it. Go slow. Don't twist the wheel. Not yet. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Don't put your face there. That fucking rim's like this. It is. Go forward now, a little bit. But this way, this way. No, 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 this way. Yeah, yeah. Keep going, keep going. Ay, ay. Ahora para atrás. Machín. Ahora para adelante. A tow truck again. Why are you trying to come in here? Ida? If it wasn't the first tire, it's the second tire now. Son of a bitch, man. It's nuts. Still gonna attempt again. It looks like you're gonna attempt again.
Second attempt.
Throttle to the back, bro. You're gonna cut through that cord. Never mind. Go forward. Straighten it out. Straighten out the wheel hard. Straighten it out. Kill it. It's because you don't follow instructions. Psych. Time to pull him out. Make some more holes.